Right guys, so in this video, we're going to do some trending niche research for merch by Amazon and beyond. Now these niches, you don't have to use them just for merch by Amazon. They can be just as good for Redbubble, Etsy, and other POD platforms. So I'm going to dive right into my computer and I'll show you exactly what's trending right now and what you can make money with right now on merch by Amazon and print on demand in general. Right guys, so I'm going to use Merch Dominator, Seller Trends module right here, and as you guys can see, it gives you literally the latest trends and also the ones that have just started to move, to pop off in an upward trajectory. So when we look at this design right here, it's pertaining to Fiesta squad, which is a Cinco de Mayo kind of design. It was uploaded when? April 19th. We're on April 26th. Uploaded and already ranking well at 122k BSR, right? So we can open it up like so, and we can just check the title and stuff like that. And then what we can do is we can go to Fiesta Squad Mexican Party and copy it and paste it into a product search and check the keywords for it. Maybe we can just remove this completely and see what keywords come up, you know, stuff like that. We can open each of these keywords on Amazon and see what kind of competition we have there. But let me just click on search like so. So there's 4,000 results. There's loads. And also, you know, Cinco de Mayo is quite close, so it's not too far, which means that maybe we don't have enough time to actually rank in this niche. I'm just showing you guys like what is really trending right now, right? And the great thing is, if you get in early into a particular trend, you will be able to sell like crazy. Like for example, I hit a trend here with this demo accounts, guys, right? I sold 25 t-shirts. Where did I get this? From Merch Dominator. I get literally trends every single day. People that are using Merch Dominator in the community, they just, yeah, that's all they use because it literally shows you trend after trend after trend. And I'm showing you guys demo accounts. Like this is not my main account. This is a demo account that I started from scratch, already sold 36 designs, as you guys can see. And I showed you how I designed for it live and all of that kind of stuff. I'm going to reveal these in just a bit, so just bear with me. Right, so next, what do we have? What do we have? We've got this one right here, Fight the Stigma. I think this is an old niche. Let's see. 252 designs uploaded. Is it selling well? Not bad, not bad. It is selling, guys. There you go. There's a niche right there. Okay, there's a niche. Good BSR, not bad. Also with Cinco de Mayo, like whenever you can see a trend like that, you always have to branch out. Check out different sub niches in that big niche, because Cinco de Mayo is a massive niche. Anti-hero, what is this? Uploaded on the 31st of March, and it has a BSR of 259. And guys, one other thing you could do is you could even go to bestsellers and search by newest, and you can literally see designs that have been uploaded today, the day before, or the day before that. Literally designs that have just started to pop off and have just been uploaded. I don't think there's any other software that can actually show you new data like Merch Dominator does. You know, you're more than welcome to check it out and see the difference. And by the way, Merch Dominator is offering 50% off at the moment. So just enter a coupon code 50 off over here and you'll get your 50% off. Just thought I'd throw it out there. Right, so Anti-hero. Let's check this one. When was it uploaded? Yeah. It's got a BSR of 448 at the moment. Let's check it here. 103 results. 40k BSR right there. Not bad, actually. Not too bad. And there's not many designs with that title in the first page. There's another one, and it's sold as well. It's kind of not competitive at all. And I don't think it's trademarked. Look, there's only 1, 2, 3, and this one sold as well. This is how you know it's a good niche. There's only 103 results right there. Come on, guys. Happy last day of school. Obviously, everyone knows this niche. 100 days of school, last day of school, first day of school. They always sell out, guys. So this is a good niche to get into. You can get into it early and you'll probably sell. You can also try with ads. So Groovy, happy last day of school. Let's try this. 3,000 results. Yeah, so it is competitive, but it does sell like crazy. So around mid-May time, it will start selling like hotcakes. But I think if you get into it as soon as possible, you'll stand a chance. Get into it with Groovy. With the Groovy style, I think you'll stand a chance there. Strong like a bull. Let's check this one. Look, guys, we're finding niche after niche. It's crazy. Literally makes it so easy for you to find niches. So 59 results there. Not many. There's 1, strong like a bull. Is there another one? 2, and it sold as well. 3, sold. Not a crazy niche, but it's very small. It doesn't have many results. So only 1 page and a bit. Come on, guys. Who said competition, huh? And it was uploaded on April the 5th. So about 21 days ago. April the 10th. Don't mess with Mama Bear. You know what you can also do? You can also rank them by newest if you want to. Sorting by newest. Or you can rank them by date. Let's say you only want, say, designs from the 1st of April, etc. I mean, you've got so much room for flexibility there. Yeah. Good area there. Yeah. Don't mess with Mama Bear. Okay. We have 172 results. There's 1 selling well. There's another one selling well. There's another one selling well. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, not a bad niche, actually. This is literally pretty much every single one of them was a good niche. There's another one, happy last day of school. So when you see 2 things repeating, you know it's a trend, guys. Fiesta Squad, there you go. 2 things repeating, selling well. Soccer Dad, let's check this one. You can even sort by BSR and pretty much anything you want. There's 4,000 results. Pretty full, this one right here. Yeah, 4,000, 6,000. I'll probably stay away from this niche. Too big for my liking. You could still sell in it, but there's just too much competition. Yeah. Unless you're probably doing ads and stuff. Yeah, these birthday ones, you can find some decent niches there. You just have to try and sub-niche well and try and cross-niche as well. My favorite player calls me Mimi. Okay, let's check this one. $2,000 results there. Yeah, not a big fan of this one. There you go. In just 10 minutes, we found many niches. Cousin of a 2023 graduate. By the way, this one you can do it with, dad of a 2023 graduate, mom, Mimi, mama, all sorts of niches or sub niches, right? Loads of different things that you can do. Let me open it here. $122 results. Yeah, selling. Yeah, there you go. This is a good niche. Not many results there, guys. I mean, we can keep going on and on and on, but literally just using the seller trends, you can pick so many niches just like that. Yeah, Let's Fiesta. There you go. Another one, Let's Fiesta. Massive. It's not easy being my wife's arm candy. I showed this niche in one of my other videos. Don't do this, Taylor. This is based on Taylor Swift. Don't do it. But yeah. Okay. It's actually not bad. But yeah, you guys can see. Just go through the list. All these are good niches. And if you get stuck like this, just wait for a little bit, because it's still analyzing other niches and it will show you more niches, just like that. There you go. Non-ending, guys. Non-ending. So if you guys are struggling with finding niches, you know what the answer is. You can see it right in front of you. Go check it out. You've got 50% off. Everything to gain, nothing to lose. Now, if you guys want me to give you 200 plus niches, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. It's free. They're just general niches that you can cross niche and sub niche with and stuff like that. If you guys want my niches service, I'll leave you a link in the description. We'll give you niches every week, every couple of weeks. So anywhere from 25 to even 30 to 40 niches per week. I mean, if you don't have time, why not? Give it a go. And if you guys don't have a Merch by Amazon account, check out our accounts creation service down below in the description. And if you guys want to check out the Merch by Amazon course, it's got everything that you need. You don't need to worry about, searching for information on YouTube and stuff like that. Everything in the description. And if you guys, want strategy talk, if you want some coaching, then I'll leave you a link in the description for our coaching service. Other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Like, subscribe and share and all of that. And I'll see you in the next video.